Welcome to Value. How can we help you today?
I'm looking for some rope.
We have rope. Come follow me.
Great.
We've got polyester, nylon. Ooh, this is actually really good.
That'll work.
Great. What else do you need?
I'm looking for a hammer. Perfection.
Great. Do you need anything else?
Chainsaw?
And here you are, saws with chains.
Perfect. You know, chainsaws were originally invented to, cut through bone.
Oh. Wow. So, what project are you working on?
Oh my gosh. I should have mentioned this when I walked in. I'm building a treehouse for my nephew.
Oh my gosh. Well, let's go get you the rest of the stuff you need.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You've been a
Gotcha.
tremendous help.
Oh my gosh, I do what I can.
Value for the do-it-yourselfer. In you.
We've got plenty of hammers. Take your pick.